The Statue of Unity is India's pride. You don't have to go to foreign and you can see the world's tallest statue in India itself. If you are planning to see the Statue of Unity, then our advice is you stay in Ekta Nagar. In this video, we have listed the top 10 best hotels in Ekta Nagar with the price range of 1,000 to 3,000 rupees per night. The prices mentioned in this video are the prices which we got during the time of recording this video. Hotel prices can be higher or even lower depending on your booking date. That is why we suggest that you book your hotels as soon as possible to get the cheaper prices. To book the hotels, you can use adiratravels.com or you can just use the links provided in our description. Vhar Resort. The resort is a budget-friendly resort located around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. The hotel is slightly on the inside near the fields, and it would give you a more peaceful and a more quiet stay. You would have the feeling of staying in a farmhouse. Their ambience is nice and relaxing. They have their own in-house restaurant and even a swimming pool to keep you occupied. It is not the fanciest hotel, but it's decent for a short stay. In fact, they are new to the hotel business and the owner is going all out, reinvesting all their profits to the hotel to make this a better place. Their rooms are comfortable, decent and have an AC, a flat screen TV and a private bathroom. We got their rooms for around 1,800 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to book this hotel at the best price. Hotel BRG Budget Stay. The hotel is one of the most famous budget hotels and also one of the best-selling hotels in Ekta Nagar. It is around a 10 to 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. It is located on the main road and is almost impossible to miss. They have enough car parking space if you are bringing your car, and they also have a decent in-house restaurant as well as a small kids play area to keep your kids entertained. In regards to their rooms, they have plenty of rooms, but we suggest that you book them as early as possible because the rooms get sold out really fast. It's a budget hotel, but really comfortable. They provide AC as well as non-AC rooms. All their rooms have comfortable space, a flat screen TV and large windows. We got their non-AC room for around 900 rupees per night. You can use the links in our description to get the best price for your booking. Hotel Stature Inn. The hotel is located around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity and less than 10 minutes drive from the Ekta Nagar station. It is located on the main road and is pretty easy to find. It is a newly built property and just started operating in 2023. They have enough vehicle parking space which makes it comfortable if you're bringing your own transport. They also have their own in-house restaurant that serves a variety of vegetarian dishes. However, if you want more variety, there are also a number of food outlets in the neighboring building. The design of the hotel is simple but provides a classy feeling. They have a number of room types including a family room. All of them have an AC, a flat screen TV and a window allowing plenty of natural light. It is recommended for families wanting an easy and comfortable stay near the Statue of Unity. We got their double room for around 2,600 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to get the best rates for your dates. The Royal Heritage Tent Resort. The resort is a newly built resort which just started operating in 2023. The resort is located on the main road and is around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. They also provide enough car parking space, so parking your vehicles won't be an issue. It has a very cool and refreshing Swiss tent concept, something you would normally experience in Rajasthan. Their design and ambience is probably their most unique selling point. They also have their own in-house vegetarian restaurant, so food shouldn't be an issue. They have a huge garden, a swimming pool and plenty of activities to keep you and your family occupied. They also could arrange bonfires at night to make the night more interesting. The tent rooms are decent, having an AC, a private bathroom and even a seating area in each and every room. We got the rooms for around 2,200 rupees per night. You can use the links in our description to get the special price for your booking. The Narmada Hotel. The hotel is around a 30 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. It is located on the main road and is a great transit hotel. They have their own in-house restaurant on the ground floor and enough parking spots for cars as well as for bikes. They also have a pure vegetarian restaurant making it a great family-friendly restaurant and is a good option for all sorts of crowd. The hotel is a decent hotel. The rooms are simple with nothing really fancy, but comfortable for a short stay during your trip to the Statue of Unity. The rooms are equipped with a flat screen TV, AC, a private bathroom and a working desk. We got their deluxe room for around 1,300 rupees per night. You can use the links in our description to get the best price for this hotel. We still have 5 more hotels on this list, and if this video has been helping you out so far, do please support us, give us a like and click subscribe for more travel tips. We also would like to invite you to join in our Adira Travels mailing list. By joining this mailing list, we would be able to pass on some of the deals and discounts which we get from your favorite hotels and restaurants. Joining the mailing list is completely free and you can do so by clicking the link in our description. Hotel we are in. The hotel is located around a 25 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. The hotel is located on the main road and is almost impossible to miss if you are passing from Bharuch. They have enough car parking space and they also have their own in-house vegetarian restaurant. They are famous amongst the locals to host various functions as well as parties. It is a combination of a family restaurant as well as a family hotel. They do not allow the consumption of alcohol even in their rooms. In regards to their rooms, they have a number of room types and even a family room. This would be more economical and more practical if you're planning to visit the Statue of Unity and you're here just for a short stay. Their rooms are decent, clean and comfortable. All their rooms are having an AC, a flat screen TV and private bathroom. We got their deluxe room for around 1,500 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to get the best rates for your dates. Omkara Resort. The hotel is around a 30 minutes drive to the Statue of Unity. It is more like a mini resort than a hotel. It is located on the main road and is pretty easy to find. They have enough car parking space and this hotel would be a great place to stay if you're traveling from Bharuch. They have a nice open garden area in the middle of the resort and they also have their own in-house restaurant, so food shouldn't be an issue. They also have a nice swimming pool and a play area with games to keep the children as well as the adults entertained. The resort would be a great place to stay if you're traveling with a group, since you would be having plenty of time to bond with your loved ones. They only have one type of room and they are of the cottage type. Each room have their own AC, flat screen TV and comfortable beds. We got their rooms for around 3,400 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to get the best rates for your dates. The Petal Unity Inn. The hotel is around a 15 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. It is around a 5 to 10 minutes drive from the station and is located on the main road, making it pretty easy to find. The hotel was previously known as the Unity Hotel and it was taken by the new management and changed to the Petal Unity Inn. The hotel provides plenty of car parking space and they also have their own in-house restaurant. Their head chef also has won a number of awards, so food shouldn't be an issue staying here. The hotel is a spacious hotel having over 50 rooms. It is one of the favorite mid-range hotels if you are traveling with a large group. They have a variety of room types including a family room. All their rooms are having modern design and comfortable space. We got their standard room for around 2,300 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to get the best rates for your dates. The Scenic Unity. It is a newly built property and just started operating in the late 2023. Location-wise, it is around a 15 minutes drive to the Statue of Unity and around a 5 minutes drive to the Ekta Nagar station. The hotel is located on the main road towards the Statue of Unity and it is pretty easy to find public transport. They also provide car parking space and they also have their own in-house vegetarian restaurant. Apart from that, they also have a swimming pool for adults as well as a swimming pool for your kids to keep all of you entertained. The hotel ambience is somewhere between a luxury and budget friendly. It is perfect for those of you searching for a comfortable stay at a reasonable pricing. They have a variety of room types including a family room. We got their deluxe room for around 2,700 rupees per night. Use the links in our description to book this hotel at the best price. The Royals Room. The hotel is around a 30 minutes drive from the Statue of Unity. It is located on the main road just opposite the RTO in Rajpipla. It is a great transit hotel if you are planning to visit the Statue of Unity. It was was previously known as Om Gauri's room, but recently it was taken over by new management and renamed as the Royals Room. The place have enough car parking space and they even have their own in-house restaurant. It is a comfortable, budget-friendly hotel that is clean and practical. Their rooms have an AC, a flat-screen TV and large windows to allow plenty of natural light. We got their rooms for around 2,100 rupees per night. You can use the links in our description to book this hotel at the best price. Share this video with your friends and families with whom you are planning to visit the Statue of Unity. Ask them for their opinion on which hotel to book, but then book the hotels before the price increases. You can click right here if you are searching for more premium hotels in Ekta Nagar, or you can click right here to get the variety of hotels in Vadodara. This is Raja from Adira Travels. We do hope that you enjoy your trip to the Statue of Unity. Stay safe, keep smiling, and see you next time. Bye-bye.